¿Por qué tú no me avisas con tiempo?
You have to get an interview. This is Rebecca, she's new.
Hi. How are you? Oh.
A few days ago, I was having a conversation with somebody who I care about a lot. I'm not gonna mention your name, neither where you live. And I think this video applies not only to you, but many of you out there who are in a completely unrelated field that doesn't have to do anything with IT or development and are looking to make a career change. Now, getting into development as a front-end developer, mobile developer, back-end developer today is not as hard as it seems. It's a whole different ballgame. Back in 2000, 2001, when I went to software engineering school, I had to go through a complete 4 or 5 year curriculum to get a diploma, and as a side thing, you were a developer as well, and that's how I started out as a developer. Today, that's not necessary at all. There are many websites. You could start a course, you could get certified, you could take any sort of development or design course out there. And if you do it and practice enough and build up your portfolio, you can get a job at any company. And when I say any company, check out this link. There's companies like Google, Apple, hundreds of startups, and even smaller companies that are just in need of development and design talent. And if you're that person and you knock the door, you probably have very good chances today of landing a job. Now, I've seen dozens of people around me go from not knowing any development at all to getting a job. To become a developer, you don't need to go into debt or go through a 4-year college course or degree. You can do so by going online. There are many different sites where you can learn. You can even get a degree online on being a developer. You could do it yourself without spending any money. I always recommend you to go to a few sites I'm going to recommend up next and follow their path to becoming a developer. They've been proven, they've been tweaking and working them for years now, and they have some excellent tutors in there. Like anything you want to learn, I would recommend that you have time, focus, and dedication to actually learning development. You can learn development really quickly, just in a few months, but you have to be really dedicated. You have to really go into it, and you have to learn it, live it, and breathe it. Now, there's 3 sites I would recommend for you to learn development. There's teamtreehouse.com, codeacademy.com, and coursera.com. They all have their benefits, they all have the pros and cons. Let's go through those in a second. Okay, so first up is teamtreehouse.com. The URL right here, you can check it out. This is one of those companies that I really love. I really resonate with Ryan Carson, the founder. He set up this website, and there's lots of learning paths, there's courses, there's even a tech degree you can take, and you can learn everything from front-end, back-end, web development, even design, mobile development as well. They have a free trial, 7-day free trial. They start at $25 a month. You could also get a pro plan for, I think it's $50 a month, and you can even get a tech degree from them. They also have pretty nice initiative that they will help people who go through their tech degrees find jobs and place them at companies. So that's really awesome. Next up is codeacademy.com. Since last I checked out this site, they've really come a long way, at least in terms of the courses they offer. Even the interface of the site is amazing. You can learn web development, computer programming, Python, data sciences. They have different paths and learning courses that you can take depending on what you want to learn. They have free courses that you could get started, no credit card required. You just jump in and start taking the courses. They also have a pro plan where you have customized learning paths and quizzes and a few other things, and they're also very reasonably priced, I think. So they start at $19.99 a month, and you could just do 6 months or 12 months at a time. You could get pretty nice discounts here. Their courses are awesome. They really know what they're doing, and they really have good tutors inside. And then we have Coursera.org. Coursera is a little bit bigger of a website. There's many different things in here, not just for design and development. And some of these courses are by some pretty big universities in the United States and some around the world. Coursera actually have the least experience with, and by least experience I mean no experience at all. So, but I know it's out there, and I know a few developers who've used it before and swear by their courses. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. You'll see which of the three I just mentioned would be best suited for you. Alright guys, so that about wraps it up what I wanted to talk to you about today. If you are even remotely thinking about becoming a developer and want to get out there, don't be afraid. Take the first step, start learning. There's a huge industry out there. There's a lot of companies waiting for great talent like you. And as I just read one of those sites, if you know how to read, you can learn how to code. Truer words have never been spoken. Hope you stay awesome guys. Take care.